In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Smartsheet API access token and use it to test the API. We'll walk through the full process from signing in to Smartsheet, finding the right account area, creating a token, storing it securely, and then using it in an API request to confirm everything is working properly. This is a straightforward setup, but it's important to handle the token carefully because it acts like a secure key that allows API access to your Smartsheet data. Start by logging into your Smartsheet account in your web browser. Once you're signed in, go to your account settings. This is where Smartsheet keeps your user level preferences and access options. Depending on the version of the interface you see, the exact layout may look a little different, but the goal is the same. You want to locate the section that gives you access to personal account controls. From there, open Personal Settings or the API Access area. In some accounts, API-related options may appear directly under Personal Settings, while in others, they may be shown as a separate tab or menu item. Take a moment to confirm that you're in the right place before continuing, because this is where the token generation tools are located. Next, generate a new access token. Smartsheet will usually ask you to confirm the action, and in some cases, you may be prompted to provide a label or description so you can recognize the token later. Choose something clear and practical, especially if you expect to create more than one token in the future for different projects or environments. Once the token is created, copy it immediately and store it somewhere safe. This part is very important. Access tokens are sensitive credentials, so avoid saving them in plain text files, sharing them in messages, or exposing them in screenshots or recordings. A secure password manager or secrets vault is usually the best option. If you lose the token and can't retrieve it again from the screen, you may need to generate a new one. After that, use the token in your API request header. Typically, this means adding it as the authorization value required by Smartsheet for authenticated requests. Make sure the header format matches the API documentation exactly, because even a small formatting mistake can cause authentication to fail. Finally, test the API by making a simple request, such as listing your sheets or opening sheet data. This is the easiest way to verify that your token works and that your request is properly configured. If the response comes back successfully, then your setup is complete and you're ready to start working with the Smartsheet API.